Good morning, my sweet friends. Today is February 9th, 2022, and we are going to do some WIN phonics. So my expectations for today are make sure you're participating. Miss Faulkner's not there, but she is making this video for you guys, so you can pause it as you need to, practice. If you have a whiteboard or pencil and paper, it'd be a great thing for you guys to practice writing some of these words that we go through. Today, I can. Our I can statements for today are I can manipulate phonemes. That sounds like some big words, but manipulate just means change, and phonemes is the sounds that you hear. So you can change around the sounds, and you guys can do that. The next one says I can decode CVC words. So decoding, you're trying to figure out what they are. So you can find out how to spell CVC words. And I can use the digraph CH. CH says ch, ch. Okay? So today we're going to warm up. We're going to start with some rhyming. I want you guys to tell me if these words rhyme. Which, itch. Okay? Chips and chick. Do those words rhyme? What about match and patch? Chin and chess. Bananas or bunch and lunch. Gingerbread men and bench. Okay? So I see 3 that rhyme. I want you guys to see if you can figure out which 3 rhyme. So take a little time, pause the video. When you're ready, you can unpause it and I'll go over it. So remember when you were talking about rhyming, you were looking for something that sounds the same, and it's usually the end of the word sounds the same. So which and itch rhyme. Chips and chick do not rhyme because the ending doesn't sound the same even though the beginning does. Match and patch rhyme. They have atch at the end. Chin and chess do not rhyme. Okay? And bunch and lunch, those rhyme. They have that unch sound at the very end. So these words do not rhyme because they sound different. And these sound the same at the end. Even though the beginning can be different, the end needs to sound the same to make sure that it rhymes. All right, so let's make a rhyme. So what we say itch, what rhymes with itch? I want you to take a few minutes. We looked at some on the last slide. Think of something that rhymes with itch. I would say pitch, like a pitch, the first ball at the ball game. Which, okay. What about the word patch? Words like hatch, match, or rhymes for patch. What about the words chips? Chips. I would say dips, flips, sips. All of those words that have ips at the end would rhyme with chips. If we look at this, if we say this is a pad, Words like sad, mad would rhyme with this. Okay? So let's talk about syllables. Syllables are ways you can break apart the word. So screwdriver, I hear 2 syllables. You can clap those out. Screwdriver. Oh, I hear 3. See? Clapping it out helped me. I was able to correct myself because I clapped it out. So sometimes I may think I know something, but if I just go through the steps, then I learn something new. Okay? So screwdriver has 3 sounds. 3 syllable is 3 syllables. Toolbox has 2 syllables. Okay? Tractor has 2 syllables. Wheelbarrow has 3 syllables. Shovel, 2 syllables. Ladder, 2 syllables. Okay? So we can figure out the syllables if we clap it out and listen for those changes in the sounds. All right, so if we look at this word and we say ruler without the first syllable, okay? If I clapped out ruler, I would say ruler. What do I have left if I take off rule? I have an If I have toolbox and I take off the second part, toolbox, then what do I have left? I have tool. If I have the word pliers, then if I take off the ending syllable, I have the word ply. If I have the word paintbrush and I take off the beginning, I have the word brush. What if I have the word hammer? Hammer. If I take off that second syllable, what word do I have? I have the sound ham. Ladder. Ladder. If I take off the last syllable, I have the word lad. All right, some initial sounds. When you hear the word match, what is the first sound that you hear? The very first sound in the word match. M, m. M. What is the first sound that you hear in the word bench? B, b. Bench. What is the first sound that you hear in the word chick? Ch, ch, ch. Chick. There's our digraph. CH. What is the first sound that you hear in the word which? W, w. What is the first sound that you hear in the word inch? I, I. What is the first sound that you hear in the word patch? P, p, patch. Now let's look at some ending sounds. What is the last sound that you hear in the word pad? D, d. D. What is the last sound that you hear in the word branch? There's our digraph. Ch. What is the last sound that you hear in the word chips? S. What is the last sound that you hear in the word chess? S. What is the last sound that you hear in the word church? There's our digraph. What is the last sound that you hear in the word chunk? Chunk. K. It's a K. Good job. Next, let's look for some words that start with the same sound, okay? We're looking for words that start with a CH, a ch sound, okay? So I see chin starts with a ch sound. Cheese starts with a ch. Chair starts with a ch. Chest starts with a ch. And chick starts with a ch sound. Okay? What does sock start with? Sock starts with a s sound. What about soap? It also starts with a s. What about sun? S. And seahorse. Very good. All right, so let's substitute. If we have the word hatch and we want to move it to the word match, what do we need to change? So we would change the H in hatch to an M. What about lunch to bunch? We would change an L from lunch to a B in bunch. What about pitch? Oh, catch to batch. Okay, we would change the C to a B. All right, phoneme deletion. This means we're going to take sounds away. What if we take the CH away from check? We would have the sound ek. Ek. If we take the CH away from lunch, we would have the word lun. If we take the CH away from chin, we would have the word in. If we take the CH away from itch, we would have the word it. If we take the CH away from chess, we would have the word S. And if we took the CH off of patch, we would have the word pat. All right, you guys, so I want you guys to work on some CVC words. I want you guys to sound out a few words for me.